बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। What is mortgage insurance or home loan insurance? It's our today's topic. But before we continue to discuss on mortgage insurance, first we must have to understand what is mortgage. What is mortgage? Mortgage property, home, or mortgage process. What is mortgage process? These are the questions which we are going to discuss in this video. Let's see this circle. Mortgage of house or property, or mortgage property or mortgage property. Which factors are involved in the mortgage property or property to be mortgaged? These are the factors involved. First we have the property owner. Property owner, this is the property to be mortgaged against which the owner of the property gets money from the lenders or investors. The owner of the property contacts to the lender or investor and asks for money. The lender or investor asks the owner to give him property documents. The property owner do so. The lender also asks the owner to sign a contract agreement for the property to be mortgaged, title documents and agreement. Title documents retained by lender when the lender gives money to the property owner and retain the documents with him, and also an agreement is being signed between the owner of the property and lender. The lender lends money up to 80% of the total value of the property. 20% remaining is retained as down payment. The money owed by the borrower is to be paid in installments to the lender. When all the installments are cleared or paid, the property owner or borrower gets his title documents of the property back. This is the process of mortgage of house or mortgage of property. Let's come to the main topic. What is mortgage insurance? When the borrower borrowed money from the lender and he can't pay back or passed away due to any reason whatsoever. In this process, what is the benefit of lender or investor? What the investor gets in lending the money against the property? The investor or lender gets extra amount in the shape of markup or interest. It's his benefit because he gets extra money as markup or interest. In this process, what is the benefit of owner or borrower? The borrower gets money in lump sum and pays back in installments. It is his benefit and he uses this mortgage money. The borrower has to pay back the mortgage money, or you can also call it loan against mortgage. The borrower has to pay back mortgage loan to the lender in monthly installments for a specified period. If the owner failed to make payment or passed away during this period, then what happened? Due to the failure of the borrower to make payments to the lender, loss will be caused to the lender. Here, a new factor involved insurance, mortgage insurance. Now we are coming to the main point. What is mortgage insurance? Mortgage insurance is an insurance policy that protects a mortgage lender or title holder from loss caused to the failure of the borrower to make payments for any reason whatsoever. But here, the borrower has to pay insurance premium to the insurance company because when the borrower failed to make payment, the insurance company will cover the lender's loss. Here is all the process which is called mortgage insurance. Types of mortgage insurance. Private mortgage insurance. First one is private mortgage insurance. Second one is qualified mortgage insurance premium. Third one is mortgage title insurance. These are the three main types of mortgage insurance. Before we further continue, please subscribe our channel so that every upcoming video you can get easily. What is private mortgage insurance? Private mortgage insurance or PMI is a type of mortgage insurance a borrower might be required to buy as a condition of conventional mortgage loan. Like other kinds of mortgage insurance, PMI protects the lender, not the borrower. The lender arranges PMI and it's provided by private insurance companies. You can see it by its name that it's provided by private insurance companies. This is called private mortgage insurance. What is qualified mortgage insurance premium? When anyone gets a US Federal Housing Administration backed mortgage, you will be required to pay a premium which is called qualified mortgage insurance premium, which provides a similar type of insurance also known as MIPs. MIPs have different rules, including that everyone who has an FHA mortgage must buy this type of insurance regardless of the size of their down payment. Third one is mortgage title insurance. What is mortgage title insurance? Mortgage title insurance protects against loss in the event a sale is later invalidated because of a problem with the title. Mortgage title insurance protects a beneficiary against losses if it's determined at the time of sale that someone other than the seller owns the property. Before mortgage closing, a representative such as a lawyer or a title company employee performs a title search. The process is designed to uncover any liens placed on the property that would prevent the owner from selling. A title search also verifies the real estate being sold belongs to the seller despite a thorough search. It is not hard to miss important pieces of evidence when information is not centralized. This is called mortgage title insurance. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.